So this is our super concentrated, high quality, premium wash. Now this is obviously going to go in your bucket to create a lovely thick foamy wash to soak your car up and bring out that muck. Now this is formulated to prevent spotting even in the sunlight. So obviously if you're washing in hotter weather, you know, if you traditionally use cheaper, more generic washers, you're going to get like spots as soon as it starts to dry. This is formulated to prevent that. Now this doesn't also remove any waxes or sealants you might have on there to obviously protect the car and keep it looking lovely. So that's another good thing about this. It also prevents streaking, obviously again in the sunlight especially, to forget them streaks. You don't want them streaks when you clean your car. This again is formulated to wash the car really thoroughly but prevent all them things from happening. Now like I say, it's super high concentrated, so in your bucket you just want to put a bit in there, tiny little bit. I mean, it looks good enough to drink, doesn't it? Don't, by the way, but I mean, look at it. Beautiful thing. Now obviously put your sponge in there. What we always recommend as well is to get your jet wash, just give it a little spray in there, and as you can see already, it's beautiful. It smells amazing, but it's lovely, thick, foamy wash. It's again just quality wash. I mean, you could have a bath in that, couldn't you? You could have a bath in it. That is the Yum wash. Amazing. So I'm back from giving my son a wash. Bad idea that. But I want to show you just how thick it is when you're applying it to the car. So look, this stuff, super slick, beautiful foam that clings to the muck. If you haven't got your snow foam lance, the wash is absolutely vital. It's a fantastic product. Even if you have got your foam and you foamed it, we always use the foam first, apply the foam, jet wash it off after about 5 or 6 minutes, and then go back to something like the Yum wash, because this can obviously be applied with your mitt or your sponge, and this is obviously going to actually clean the muck off. You're going to rub the muck off, but first of all you want to get all that really thick muck off, so you're not rubbing it in your car. So before you use obviously the wash, either foam it, wash it off, or if you haven't got a snow foam lance, of course, just wash the car first with a jet wash, and then get that thick muck off, and then go straight to your wash, over it, clean all your panels like so, and then obviously rinse it off with a cold wash to get it all off at the end, and you will leave the car looking absolutely beautiful.